Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the reset. So first thing you will need to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the crown button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, scroll down, find the system option or system and updates. Here we have it. Once you find it, tap on it. Then scroll down, find the option called reset and select it. And here scroll down and tap on the reset watch. You can also check the box to delete the eSIM configuration if you have any and you want to remove it. And then you can tap on reset watch. Then tap on the check mark to confirm and wait until the resetting process is complete. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.